to the sea, baby, I never say.
Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this 100 dynamic typography 4K pack for Adobe After Effects. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file, open this folder. Open this project folder. You can see there are dynamic typography project file. Just double click to open. Look, there's a folder here, a text folder. I opened it. You can see there are 100 different text animations in it, so whatever you do now. So follow me now. I created a new comp. Then, I'm not using any footage. I show it by opening it directly. I dragged it one by one to the timeline and you can see that it is working very well, so you can use it on your footage. No problem. This dynamic typography pack, 100 titles, 4K 60 FPS free download After Effects template. Easily customize color with controller, easily edit all text for your story, no plugins required, duration, 5 minutes 25 seconds, 4K and Full HD resolution, 4096 x 2304, 1920 x 1080. After Effects CS6 and above. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.